When somebody says they want to build, or they, maybe don't want to take the custom route, but they want to go with a reputable home builder that has a lot of great options, I have the perfect builder for you. Now I can speak from personal experience because I've done it myself. As a real estate agent, when it came time to think about our next home and where we wanted to be and who we wanted to build, or if we wanted to buy existing, new construction versus existing, there's a lot of decisions to be made. But as a realtor, for me, it all kind of goes back to what I have seen in the integrity and character of Homes by Tabor. Having seen firsthand what these homes were like from start to finish, Tabor's standard is already so much higher than a lot of other people's, high-end stuff. I have attended brokers' bashes for a couple years now. Number one, they're so fun. It's a great opportunity to just get out and see new homes and get on social media and let people know what you're doing and that you're involved in the real estate community, that you're involved in the new construction world, and that you're paying attention. The standard features are amazing, especially now living in this home and knowing we've got a storm shelter in the garage, knowing I could stay in the shower for an hour and a half and never run out of hot water. And there's just so many good features that we really love. And I also love marketing to potential buyers because it's just a great set of standard features, very proudly overbuilt, but very accurate.